What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Good to have you all. Good to have you all. How are you doing? How are you doing today? Tell me, how is your day moving for you? This is a trading assembly where traders we meet and share our trading experience. I share my trading tips, and it's always nice to share it with you guys. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Professors, Proman, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. You love me so much. I love you too. Good to have you. Tell me, how is your day moving for you? House of Heart, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Guys, mark your attendance. When you join, mark your attendance. I want to know where you're watching from. I want to know how your day is moving for you. And the week thing. All right, guys, this is a trading assembly, and I am trading binary options. I am on CAD JPY market, so let's see how it goes. Zillion, good to see ya. Hassan, how are you doing? Oh my god. Damn, our first entry has gone crazy again. It starts, but we are going to let us anticipate a better night. Guys, let us see how this Canadian dollar reacts versus the Japanese yen tonight. Let us see how it moves. The guy, good to see ya. Natures, good to have you. Good to have you, John Luck. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? And don't forget, this is OTC market, open 24/7. We are not limited by time on this trading assembly. We show up every day. Guys, our goal is going to be 10K. Then we get into the donations that we didn't finish yesterday. Be humble. Shut up. Be humble. It's always nice to have you guys. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? Oh my god. Be humble. Let's see how it goes, guys. All right, we are having some direction. All right, we get some. Let's move. Let's continue moving. Love the Photoshop. Show me something natural. Cameron, good to have you. What's up? Tibar, good to see ya. Good to have you all. Hassan, I play his song. I actually loved it. Sit down. But I didn't include it on today's playlist. I thought it was a personal song, but tomorrow I'm going to include it on the playlist. And we move. Raphael, good to see ya. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? Yeah, tonight we are going to first move and hit 10K. Then we get into yesterday's donations that we didn't finish. Yeah, that is the goal for now. Guys, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? I am trading binary options. Right now we are just testing this Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let us see how it moves. We're already getting some moves. Hey. Guys, how are you spending your weekend? Weekends are also nice for just looking at the markets. Yeah, I believe Sundays are one of those calm days you can use to look at the charts and analyze more, practice more. You know, trading is a skill we have to build. So any chance you get to build it, please use it to your advantage. Culture, good to see you. The culture, good to see ya. I want to know, how did you spend your day today, guys? Tell me, tell me. It's always a beautiful day for me. And any chance I get to see the markets, honestly, guys, as long as the markets are here, we are going to be in the markets. That should be your motto and your rule for life. As a trader, you look at your charts every now and then, because why not? If it's not you, then who? Your trading strategy, please. It's coming. I'm trading price action. That is my strategy. We don't complicate things here. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, John Luck, John Luck. The minimum for donation is 500, and there's a donation link, guys, in the description. You can use it if you want to be part of the contestants tonight. Yeah, and reminder, it is not financial investment, it is purely for learning purposes. So let's move. They call me 11. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you, my dear. All right, the charts are moving. Let's see if we can get any entry. Mm-mm. Oh my. Buyers are really against us here. They have validated my two trades. Damn. All right, guys, let's move. Let's move. Andrew, good to see you. Lion Walker, it's always nice to have you guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. You must take, you might start taking weekends off and just do demo. All right, anything that is really you doing for your trading journey to improve your skill, it's exactly what you should do. Yeah, you should do that as until you see results, guys. Actually, you should start considering taking day offs when results have really started coming and they are really consistent. Yeah, because I know at this rate, most traders, you can see some profits, then the next day they don't see them. So you also need consistency in your profits. Andrew, which one is that? This is a trading assembly you can share. Which is that? What is that strategy that you can see? All right, we're moving. Izu, good to see ya. Amos, good to see ya. So girl, it is because of the YouTube time lag. That is why it's appearing like that. While you're on stream, that's why it is best you stick around and learn. And you're free to ask any trading question because this is a trading assembly. We are always here to share as traders. You don't make it real, 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 real. I want you to make it real, 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 real. Should I go first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you had to get in touch with. You ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know nothing but a dollar. Quit and that's it. I'ma throw in the towel, cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, then the text with your nose, so dumb bro. I don't care if we get into it and I stall in your ass, but I still wake up to this call. You don't make it real, 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 real. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it real, 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 real. Nah, nigga, nah, you won't have to call me. Cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. But another nigga in this spot. Damn sellers. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day? Did you look at your chats? It's a weekend. I mean, it's very okay if you didn't look at your chats. It's a weekend. But it's always best to also spare some time on Sundays. You also look at your charts. You set the motion for the week already. Tonight is the time you can also set some trading goals for the week. All right. We're going to get into the details of my strategy, guys. Just give me a minute. Let us be. My strategy is simple, guys. For starters, it is price action. And price action entails looking at understanding market direction. Oh my. Understanding market direction, market structure, and entries are backed up with understanding candlestick patterns. Should I go first? I can decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. It's funny, the shit I put on the song ain't gonna sound nothing like the shit we gonna do. Yeah, I do. I say, I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I'm the savage. She the definition of a... Are you trading or just watching chats? And of course, I am executing entries. And as soon as we hit 10K, guys, we are gonna get into the donations for yesterday. Yeah, we have to finish from where we stopped. Lion Walker, good to see you. Can you do it? All right, guys, lock in. But guys, whenever you're trading, you have to have a certain strategy that you follow in your mind. That whatever you follow in your mind is it's going to help you to spot entries on a chart. Like I always tell you, I go in order whenever I'm looking at the chart. I start with understanding the market direction. If you are in a downtrend, then you understand when to execute trades that are in line with the trend and trades that you're going to take against the trend. But you will not have such if you do not know the market direction that you're dealing with. So you should always have something that you're always looking out for in the market, and that is your strategy. And if you follow your strategy, that's how you execute entries based on that. It's not random. Whenever you're seeing me trade, it's not a random trade. I'm really executing based on that. I'm the definition of a bandit. Took your up from out his hands and still ain't saying shit. Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like this 30-38, this bitch you're damaged. Poppin' with this okay trick out when you land with it. I let you drive just like my bros when they land with it. Just that good to see ya. The indicator I'm using is Keltina channel, and guys, all the indicators I'm using them with default settings. And I also do not only base my entries on the indicator. You have to look out for other confluences. I am still trading binary options, guys. I'm just on a currency pair chart, but it's still binary options. Okay, guys, we have locked in some profit, some good serious profits here, so let's move. Let's move. Do I know French? Of course, bonjour. And it stops there. My knowledge in French stops there. Bonjour. All right. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. And we are so locked in for life because why not? AR, good to see ya, and good to have you. Never go dip on the set, stay Santana. Run it back, turn the lights on when I hit up Green Lantern. Caught a cross for the dogs down to Atlanta. In the cut, in the do so late low, yeah, I might be. Roll up, I'm calm down when I'm moving high speed. Someone need to text back if you know what I need. Oh, please. Oh, me. Oh, my. We've been moving for some time. Flexing, trying to exercise. This life I cannot change. Keep off in the man. In the middle, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top. All right, guys, let's move. All right, yeah, as a trader, sometimes you can change, and tonight we are just trying this currency pair since most of you be asking me why I'm only on Brent oil. So let's move. As you can see, guys, sometimes it's not about the strategy, sometimes it's all about the trader. Like I told you, when you're trading with price action, it is easier to be applied on all time, on all charts and all time frames. So I really don't know which strategies you use to trade, since most of you don't share your strategy. Yeah, but me, I am trading with price action, and I love it because of the ease that you can easily apply it on all time frames and all charts. Why can't you lock in? Guys, this pullback entry better works for us. Let us see how it goes. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you you mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day. Okay, guys, we are about to hit our target. Then we get into our donations that we didn't finish yesterday. AR, tell me which strategy is working for you. I'm seeing you commented you have a better strategy now. What is that? Share with us. Share with the trading assembly. I mean, that's why we are always here to catch up as traders, and as I also share my strategy. Sing along, I say you look good without no makeup. And by the way, guys, with trading, actually, you know these strategies, it is always fellow traders who come up with them, and it is always the time they spend in the market, then they collect that information and they come up with a strategy. So even you as a trader out there, you can come up with your strategy. It is not like you should always just go with one thing. Yes, it is okay to learn different things, but the more you also stay in the market, the more you're also going to have your own experience, and you add more things, or you refine the strategy that you have learned to your advantage, or to what suits your trading as a trader. All right, all right, all right. Wow, this is some good momentum here, guys. All right, guys, we have hit our target. So let us first get into the donations. And I got my jealous song. We're really having some buzz in the market. Feel lonely, pull up if you feel lonely. It's better when I'm drinking a tuna. All right, guys, let us get into the donations. How long will it take me to be like you? Actually, the time you get profitable really depends on how much you put in the market yourself. Like I told you guys from my own experience, It took me about 1.5 years to close to 2 years to really become profitable, and I only became profitable after seeing fellow traders that found me already trading and they had become profitable, and for me I was not yet profitable. I was still doubting myself. I was still looking for market knowledge. Yet sometimes you only have to just lock in as a trader, and if you choose to be disciplined, focused, that's when you actually see results. Because the moment I chose to be consistent and lock in, actually it didn't take me long. I just locked in for about a month. Then I started seeing results. And by results now I mean like serious. At least I could have 4 consistent days when I'm really making profits, out of a trading week. And that is really, really good if you're just starting out. Yeah, sometimes you just have to believe in yourself, and the more you're consistent and the more you want it, the shorter your journey. That's why it's nice to be around traders, because if you're around traders, they're going to motivate you more to become a better trader. That's it. No lie about that. All right, guys, let us get into the contestants. Let us first secure our profits, then we go into the contestants. Yes. Yeah, we are finishing yesterday's contestants. So let's see how it goes. That's why it's always nice to join trading communities. It's going to help you to stick around in the game. Then when you're just by yourself, it will get lonely, it will get depressing. You have to be around traders for your own goodness, trading. The time frame, my count was at 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Guys, we are locked in. Fast entry. Let's see how it goes. Honestness and loyalty gave up on me. Give up on me. 11, what's distracting you? Why are you not ready? Why aren't you locked in? Tell me. Loyalty, someone who will ride for me. Someone who can ride for me. Some loyalty for me. Just need some loyalty, cry for me. Guys, I really love this song. Cameroon, oh my god, YouTube just has just put the ads, but let's move now, let's move. All right, guys, it's already moving in our direction. It's beautiful. I love such entries that you execute and immediately go in your direction. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Raphael, I'm glad I motivate you. That's nice. That's nice. Those who don't believe, they have not seen, but those who have seen, they will believe. I don't think any trader that has seen results can doubt. And actually, trading is a personal thing. It's a personal journey that you take by yourself. So just do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Let's move on to our next. Let's move on to our next. Everything. Guys, trading assembly, you're free to ask any trading question that you wanna know. I mean, it is us against the market. If it's not us, then who? So let's move. Let's see if we can get a second attempt. Crazy. Damn. Oh my god. There was some crazy move there. It has been invalidated. Sorry about that. Let's move on to the next. Please don't spam comment. Please don't spam comments. Sing. Don't spam comments. You're seeing that because of YouTube time lag. Yeah, you're seeing that because of YouTube time lag, but please don't spam comments. While you're on this stream, you're free to ask any trading question. We are always here to learn and catch up good vibes and share everything that we do as traders. So let's focus on that, guys. And let me hope you're all locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Try to tell me I'm the next guy. Back gang got a tattoo by my left eye. Chain gang over here, no neck guy. But you know I'm all about the business from beginning to the end. Damn. Oh my god. Guys, let us first change a pair. Let us first change a pair, then we refund and try again. Wow, this is already moving well, guys. Let me hope you can see this. Yeah, it is really moving. So let us catch on this bullish ride. Okay, already locked in. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Guys, one thing about trading, it's very risky and losses are really part of the game. So as a trader, you should have a probabilistic mindset that you should know sometimes you can execute trades and they really go against you even when you are online. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. So let's do that. Guys, I am trading binary options. And there's a link in the description for the platform I am using. Yeah, there's a link in the description about there's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using. Kalim, I have no chance. Oh, sorry, Kalim. Your trade was really promising, but the market took us out. Next time better. Sorry about that, my dear. So Kia, let's move. Oh my, this pair is really moving well. So let's see how it goes. I'm anticipating more moves from here. So let's see. Zillion is asking about the trading bot. Guys, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading bot. Yeah, you can always reach out to Skynet support team. They are going to direct you on how to go about the bot, on how to use it and all that. For every thing you want to know about the bot, you can reach out to Skynet support team. Personally, I also trade with it in my free time, but on stream I be executing my own trades because I be wanting to explain more about the entries and the strategy. Yeah. This is binary options trading, and the market is open because I'm trading OTC market. It is open 24/7. We don't get limited. We don't get to be limited by time on this trading assembly. To be honest, you guys really make me happy. So let's move. Wow.
Shorty a little body, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the shiny.
Shari because you moved. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Guys, we are getting into a new month. So let me hope you have already set your trading goals for the month. But just yesterday, you all told me, most of you told me that you'd set your trading goals daily. Yeah, so tell me, what do you include whenever you're setting your daily trading goals? What do you normally include in your trading plan for the day? And guys, if I'm to share about tips that you can really consider when you're setting your trading plan, the first thing you can think about is your strategy. Yeah, you can always write down your strategy, how you're going to follow it whenever you're trading a certain order. Then you include how you're going to be taking your entries. You can include that I'm only going to be taking continuation entries, even when the pullback trade is so juicy for me to take. I can stay away because yes, trading is risky, but pullback trades, they are highly risky. The other thing you can include in your trading plan when you're setting it is your target. Yeah, sometimes it's better to set your target so that it is not like you're limiting yourself. It is just you're setting a certain discipline that if I get this target after a day or after, okay, now we are talking about daily. If I get a particular target this day, I close my PC, I call it a day. Because sometimes also over trading can make you lose your profits, the profits you have made in a session, and you end up donating it back to the market, and that can really affect your psychology as a trader more than even just taking a loss. Because actually, when you make profits in the market and you do not secure them and you donate them back in the market, sometimes it's going to trigger revenge trading. So if you include that in your trading plan, it's going to help you limit and practice a certain level of discipline. Basically, that's what I consider whenever I'm setting my trading plan, and that trading plan actually I was setting is the trading plan I used to follow when I was still a beginner. Because when you're a beginner, you somehow set your trading plan according to a day, and you just keep on improving it based on the capital that you have.
And I kept it on the cover, cause I'm kissing tell.
Wow, we having movement in our direction already. How many trades are eligible for a day? That depends on your capital, first of all, and it also depends on your trading plan, on what you want as a trader. I cannot limit you to 10 trades or 20 trades or less, or maybe 5. That depends on your trading time you have, and also it depends on your capital that you have, and your own personal goals as a person. Because actually, whenever we are trading, we also have to consider our own personal goals. Now it's touching a crisis. Guys, let us continue with this trend. You can see bears have been in the market. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god. Buyers are, it's like buyers are coming back. It's like buyers are coming back. They have taken us out. Damn. I'm sorry about that. I am sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I'll never, no, never neglect you. I just hope that it gets to you. Guys, let's see what we have. What can I say? Cause I recognize I'm trying, baby. Yeah, next time better. Let's see. Buyers are getting stronger. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. So Cameron, let me hope you have got it after rewinding. Let me hope you have really got it. I spit on my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Let us see if we can get any move. And guys, whenever you're trading, don't forget patience is really key. The markets are still here and they are going nowhere. So don't take those trades that where you're chasing the market. They are very, very risky. Of course, trading is risky, but you should find all ways to minimize your risk and mistakes whenever you're trading. And patience is one of the keys that is going to help you. All right, I'm glad you have got it. And you should always consider actually having a trading plan. And please, if you can write, because honestly guys, this really worked for me so much when I was still a beginner. Writing your strategy down. Okay, you can type it and print it, but you state every certain point on how you're going to trade, what to always look out for. If you're starting out, it is always better to first read it, and you should have that mindset when you open your charts. Of course, the longer you take in them. Oh my god, buyers are getting to us, to be honest. They have invalidated our trade. Let us refund and try again. Let us see. Alright, guys, let us refund and try again. And let us test another pair, guys. Let us first test another pair. Yeah, guys, as I was telling you about trading plans, if you write down your strategy and you read it every time you're going to execute in the market, in the beginning it is always hard, but with time you're going to get used to your strategy. Yeah, that is the other way you can really trade. Guys, let us first test oil before we proceed with other contestants. All right. Mm.
Girl, better work for me. Can you make it clap? No hands for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up.
All right, our continuation entries, they've all locked in profit. That's nice. That's nice. Let's add more. Let's add more buys. Let us add more buys. Damn. Guys, we are buying again. The market is bullish. So let's see how it goes. Crazy. This is a strong bullish market, but somehow our buys were invalidated. Mm, mm, mm. Uzi, good to see you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? I can see you support me and Hassan always. Oh my god. To be honest, you guys really love me and I love you too. And as long as the markets are still here, we're going to be here loving ourselves, sharing as traders, because why not? Yeah, guys, to be honest, you know how the mind works. So if you detail everything it's supposed to follow whenever you're trading sometimes, and you look at it every morning or anytime you really trade, depending on how you trade, believe me, guys, that is really what I also included in my trading. To actually, it's going to help you to be very much disciplined. It's going to help you to be very much disciplined. You should also consider having it, especially if you tend to get distracted or to go against your trading plan or to go against your discipline or rules that you already set up for your trading. So if you include that in your trading, believe me, so challenge yourself this month to do that. This coming month, which is starting tomorrow, challenge yourself to really do that and see how it goes for you. Because why not is your favorite saying, of course. Okay, I'm glad you're taking on that challenge. Yeah. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. I am trading binary options, and we were just testing our chart here before we get back to our other contestants, and you can see it has really been moving very well. Structure is strong. It is trending in a good way. Leon Green, good to see ya. MC, thank you, thank you. Zillion, I thought I talked about it when you're present because you already asked. So, but there's a link, there's a Skynet bot link in the description. You can always reach out to Skynet support team. You get a free bot and you always be helped. Let's move. This guys, do you agree that oil is moving well? Oil is moving well tonight. Yeah, we are really capitalizing on this bullish trend, and it has moved for us. It's not my fault, you wanna know me. Told me you're just a homegirl. Guys, you can see that at this rate, I'm still anticipating the trend to be bullish because you can see it pulled back and it failed to break the previous low. So at this moment, we still anticipate a bullish trend. So structure is still bullish, though it's like sellers are kicking in. Let's watch and see. Where does she run? Where does she run? Guys, all those that are asking about this platform, it is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description. So guys, let us resume with our donations. Yeah, we have tested oil and it is moving well, so let us get back into the donations. We first secure and get back to it. Guys, I'm wishing the best to everyone. So let's get to it again. If you're ready, let me see you comment ready. Let me see you comment ready and we get back to it. Okay, this we are already locked in. And for all those that want to take part into, if you want to participate into the donation, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participants, and that's exactly what we're doing. Let's get it straight, guy. You don't need a nigga for nothing. You know niggas be from. Hey. So guys, let's move on to our next. What fucking minute? Been a while since you met someone original. What? It's a shame. Mm-mm-mm. Guys, trading assembly, you're free to ask any trading question. We're just trying to catch on this pullback. Let's see how it goes. You know how to go and get back, don't you? Okay, let's move on to our next. Wanna get it back, that's a fact. Guys, whenever you're trading with market structure, one thing you can always put on the back of your mind is always to understand when the market has broke structure and it has broke it with a candle closure, because when the market breaks structure, the first thing you consider is a pullback. Whenever the market breaks structure, a pullback is likely to happen. Sometimes it happens immediately, sometimes it takes some time, but it will actually happen. Soon or later, it happens. And you know a pullback is coming to one end when the market starts printing candles that are in direction with that trend. And they are more valid if it is like a candlestick pattern that can indicate continuation, market continuation. Back it up. Then I'm backing it up. Okay, let's move. Okay, bears are really making us eat. We are still eating. So let's move. Broad, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. You ready, no noise. Get ready, turn up with the big boys. Leave love, not young, that's my choice. I love you, Guys, you didn't tell me. Did you look at your trades today? How did you spend your weekend? How did you spend your weekend today? You tested and watched the charts carefully. That is nice. That is nice. You know, trading is a skill that you build with time. So the more you test the market, the more you practice, the more you look at your charts, the more your skill develops. And whenever you're really looking at the charts, guys, don't just look at candles. That's something you're really looking out for. You can just pick a time and you're like, today I'm going to check out market structure. And you map out market structure for like some time. Get ready, turn up with the big boys. Leave love and young, that's my choice. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. You should have done what Rod did, but you didn't.
Pull your pennies down from under you. Beat that pussy up if you wanna holler cute. Drunk in the bitch, high on that very jam. Pussy in my mouth.
Okay, listen. Guys, let's move on to our next. Bro, that is really nice. Keep practicing and make sure whenever you're doing that, you don't forget market discipline. Because yes, you could be perfect at the strategy, but also market discipline is key. Because that's where psychology lies. And the enemies are saying me living life. You know how I spend my day. Of course. Of course I do. I love to get on. All right. Guys, I'm using the indicator with default settings. Yeah. And whenever I'm executing my trades, I do not base only on the indicator. I also back it up with my trading strategy, which is price action. And with price action, I be meaning understanding market direction, uptrend, downtrend, sideways market, understanding market structure for an uptrend, series of higher highs and higher lows, downtrend, series of lower highs and lower lows. And with market structure, the point that you should really consider is break of structure of a strong point that really made a difference in the market. And after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. That can happen immediately or not immediately, because the market can break structure but still continue with its trend. Then it gives a pullback later or after some few moves in the market. And I also refine my entries with candlestick patterns. That's it. Yeah, with trading, we try not to complicate things. You pick out few things that you're sure that you're going to follow consistently. So let's see if we can get another mover. New song alert, of course. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Yeah, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. But guys, tonight I've really shared those good tips. Let me hope it's a new month, so let us make it a goal to put everything. Let us put all our trading tips that we are sharing into practice. And it's a new month coming up, so let us challenge ourselves to be disciplined, patient, follow our strategy, do everything that is gonna get us to another level. Because if it's not us, then who? And because why not? Live videos are more awesome than training videos because we are getting real market experience. And all traders who want to learn more about my strategy, I have videos on my channel about it, and more are dropping. So if you've not subscribed, you better log in so that you don't miss out on new videos. Damn buyers, oh my god. They have invalidated our entry. Let us refund and try again, guys. You know how we do it. If I take an L on first attempt and refund and try again. So let's try again and see.
I got a hard head for her ass up. She want the last name with the rag on her. Cause I pull out a million cash on her crack on her.
You are unforgettable. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. Yeah, that's how we move. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. My strategy is price action. It is pure price action, guys. That's what I follow. But also, risk management is key whenever you're trading, because that's how you're going to protect your capital and survive this in the market. So risk management is key in trading. After learning the strategy, you also learn risk management. And I know, honestly, to be honest, risk management is the hardest thing to really catch up with as a trader. That's no lie. But after making serious losses, actually, guys, you're going to find yourself so humbled that you're going to practice that risk management. If you don't do it the simple way, you get to do it the hard way. So as you're learning your strategy, you also don't forget about risk management. Uzi, I didn't get to see your question. Please ask again. As we lock in for our next. Put your hands in the air, Put your hands in the air. Look what you started. Oh, nana. Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, nana.
Oh, na-na. If you keep shaking that.
Oh na na na.
Put your hands in the air if you love it tonight. Keep your hands in the air if you spend it tonight.
Na 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 na.
Baby, I'm the one you like, yeah. I'ma give you what you like, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'ma give it to you right, yeah. That's the time of your life, yeah. Oh, yeah. Baby, when you ready to celebrate, just say that. Girl, I know you ready, I ain't even
Okay, I'm gonna get to it. Let's see. Let's first see how this goes. We're going to be started.
Oh, na-na. Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, na-na. I just wanna all this cash. Oh, na-na.
Guys, we have locked in our second attempt. Let us see our final attempt.
You wanna celebrate? Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Whether on the beat. Oh, na-na.
Look what you started.
Oh, na-na. Why you gotta act so naughty?
Wow. These are the entries I really like. Let me see you type congratulations. Oh na na na. Na na na. Oh na na na. Let me see you type congratulations. I saw someone asking about my trading channel, my Telegram. Guys, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join, and you join a community of traders that are connected from all over the world. And you don't miss out on any communications. And my Telegram, the one actually, guys, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm admin for it. Nana. Uzi, I'm admin for my Telegram, and I get to reply all of you when I've got time. Yeah, I got to reply all of you when I've got time. And I see all of you that reach out to me, that send me greetings, that send me regards. And by the way, guys, I'd be so happy for all those that check on me. I thank you all for doing that. Yeah. And if you want to reach out to me and you want to write to me, yeah, there's a link in the description for my Telegram. Always reach out to me. Okay, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. So that's what we're doing. Thank you. Oh na na na. Guys, this is a trading assembly, and if you're really learning something, don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, don't forget to like it if you're learning something. Na na na. Na 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 na. And guys, I'm trading binary options. Ooh, na 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 na. Look what you started. Okay, Uzi, I'll get your message as long as you put it there.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all tonight. No, I ain't no fan of that.
Okay, yeah.
Bring all your friends. I swear that's how all of y'all my type. All the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm saying.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Drink.
Swala la la.
Drink.
Swala la la. Guys, let us see if we can get a second attempt. Patience is key, so we have to wait for an entry that is in line with our strategy. That is another concept of discipline. Cards. Binary option is the market that we trade, and pocket option is a broker that you can use. That is the difference. So pocket option is like the platform you're seeing me using now, and the market is called binary options. The chart we are on is Brent oil. Brent oil. Oh my God, sellers are really giving us some smooth ride here. Let's see if we can get a move. Swala la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to Jangali, I know he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm the bitch he know. Damn. Damn, we are checking out, guys. I'm sorry about that. We're trying to catch on a pullback. Yes. Sorry about that, guys. Let's move on to our next. Okay, it's like sellers are still in the market. Let's see. Okay. Guys, this is a pullback entry until the previous high is taken out with a candle closure. That's when you can start considering a bullish market kicking in, but for now, Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Guys, and if you want to take part in the donations, there's a link in the description for it. And it's not financial investment, it is purely for learning purposes as traders. And guys, let me hope you're really learning something. My strategy is price action. It's pure price action. Someone comment pure price action to the moon if it's the strategy that you use. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. I do trade for myself. What are you talking about? Yeah, we started with my personal trading. Then we get into donations in the second session, but we start with personal trading. Yeah, someone comment price action to the moon if it is your strategy that you use or it's the strategy that you want to start using. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. All right. We're gonna get a final attempt. How do you use it? Guys, price action involves looking at understanding the market direction, understanding the market structure, and understanding candlestick patterns. How to use them is when you get to the charts, you first understand the market direction. For example, you can see right now, this is a bullish market. Just by looking at the charts structure, you can see it's validly bullish. You can see the market is trending upwards. And how you incorporate candlestick patterns, you can see now the market pull back, it tried to go up and it has given us a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. So this is a signal for us to anticipate buyers in the market. That's why we have executed these sales and they are locked in now. So let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. OG Dynamic. What you're asking, it's what I've just explained now. So basically, that's what you use. That's how you use price action. I can't explain it. It's complicated. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. What can I say? It's complicated.
I can't explain it. I love the pain. And I love the way that your breath must be like Novocaine, and we are always high.
Keep it strange, okay, I'm insane, but you the same. Okay, let us get into our next. I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, so I can take you wherever, like. Scars on my body, so I can look at you whenever. Guys, let me hope you're really learning, and it's a new month. Set your trading plan, set your trading goals, and be locked in for life. This coming month, we are locked in for life. No games, just chat work only. Gonna say it's complicated. It's so unique. It's you and me. Between the trees. When we're not together, stars on my body, so I can take you wherever, like. Scars on my body, I can look at you whenever. Thank you guys, thank you. I mean, this month is sponsored by your craziness. So thank you for really making me happy. It's always nice to catch up with fellow traders. So let's move. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. And I am trading binary options. There's a link in the description for the broker that I'm using. And yeah, strategy is price action.
I usually love sleeping alone. This time around, bringing friends with you. But we ain't really gonna sleep at all. You ain't gonna catch me with them sneak bitches. It must be a younger heart. That pussy kill be so vicious. My God, white key in my pocket. You get me redder than the devil till I go now. Ask me if I do this every day.
I say often.
So many times you wrote the way, not so often. It just turns into easy way.
Let's see what we have here.
She wanna ride inside the G-Class pragmatic. Come on, she need that nigga like he ain't better. That girl been drinking all day, need a change bladder. She just happy that the crew back in town. She got to go downtown for a whole hour. The pattern you can have it, then it don't matter. I'm never sad.
Okay, let's get another item. Guys, let me hope you're locked in. Someone comment locked in, so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. I need you locked in for life. Awesome.
Ooh, this one's passing love. The night's almost done. The night's But I see your eyes, they wanna go again. Can I go again? Can I go again?
We're looking for a second attempt. Yeah, we're looking for a second attempt. So let us see how it goes for us. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. My candles are 5 seconds. My expiration time is 15 seconds. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to our participant, guys. Uzi, good to see ya. Alison, good to have ya. They call me 11, always in the building. Uzi, Uzi, Uzi. Uzi, what's causing your frustration this time?
She got a little bit of drum work first. She got a little bit of drum work first. She got a little bit of drum work first. She got a little bit of drum work first. She got a little bit of drum work first.
Yourself, good to see ya. MC Trades, Kachu. Thank you. You're proud of me. I'm also proud of you. My gadgets, of course, of course, of course. Good to have you all, guys. Sorry, it's nice to having you guys. You're seeing that minutes because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, don't forget. Yeah, you just come here to learn, and don't forget to ask any trading question that you want to know. We are always here to share as traders. No need to pretend. Damn. Oh my god. And it's moving in our direction. Okay, guys, let us read and try again. That's why, guys, you shouldn't really feel bad about your strategy, because sometimes you can execute an entry and everything is in line with your strategy, but the trade goes against you. And that is because every moment in the market is unique. And that's why you can never find a strategy that can give you 100%. But as long as you can make at least more wins than your losses, that's how you move. So let us try again. My strategy is price action. Wow, guys, this is already moving in our direction. Locked in for live. Okay, so we need a second attempt and see. My strategy is price action, and which involves understanding market trend or market direction, understanding market structure, and backing my entries with candlestick patterns. Yeah, and so whenever you see me executing, that's what I'm really following. My gadgets, I'm always here 8 p.m. UK time. You can always catch up early and we get into the strategy, into details. Damn. Where are these crazy buyers coming from? Oh my god. Damn. Guys, our sales have been invalidated by these crazy buyers. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap. And your flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it.
God's will, I've been practicing price action strategy for a while, but it is very difficult. Actually, that is true. When you're just starting out to test a strategy, it's not like it's going to be easy for you. You need to give yourself time and practice more and more. Like they say, consistency or repetition produces mastery. Don't think you're going to make it in the first week, but if you keep on practicing, of course, after like a month, it's going to be different for you. So it is all about repetition because repetition produces mastery. You should always put it at the back of your mind and you shouldn't be discouraged about that. You can't be discouraged in just 1 week. Get discouraged in a year, but not a week, please. So keep practicing if you want to use it. I don't wanna feel something.
You got it, girl, you got it. You're the only one I'm trying to make love to. Kicking and choosing, ain't really like.
We are taken out again. Damn. You know how we do it. When I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So guys, let us do that and see how it goes. You're welcome, Raphael. You really needed to hear it from a trader who has been there. Yeah, because I've really been there. So anything I share, guys, it is purely from my own experience as a trader. I know even sometimes it can take you months and you're not seeing results and you feel bad, but don't think. This is a skill that you build over time, and the more you practice, the better you get at it.
Freaky. I can learn a lot from you. Gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl. You a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like peach.
Locked in for life. I mean, if it's not us, then who? As long as the markets are here, we are locked in for life, and that's how it should be. So if you're just doing trading this year, be locked in. If you joined last year, be locked in. Me, I'm locked in for now close to 4 years, and as long as the markets are still here, we are still locked in.
Please take it easier on me. 'Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
Oh my god, I'm sorry about this. Our second attempt has been wiped out. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, let us go to our last participant for tonight. Let us go for our last participant for tonight.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we know. Inhales is all we know. Don't go through the front door. It's low key at the night show. So won't you open up that window? Don't you let out that antidote. Yeah, party on a Sunday. Do it all again on Monday. Spit the check on the weekend. I'ma do it again. It's bullshit. I just hit a 3 for 3 hoes I met this week. I don't do no hoes. My nigga, that's a no-no. She just want the go. I just want the narrow. Who that at the front door? It's the fans on my no-no.
Guys, we are in with our second attempt. Let's see how it goes.
Don't you let out that antidote. This is all we know. Inhales is all we know. Don't go through the front door. It's low key at the night show.
11, what have you gone through? What have you gone through? I know there are some songs that bring back all the memories. So let us see. Let us get our final attempt, guys.
Everything happened at the night show. Everything happened at the night show. At the night show. Everything happened at the night show.
Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our final participant and all the participants for tonight. All participants for tonight, let me see you type congratulations to them and congratulations. If you want to take part in the donations tomorrow, there's a link in the description. There's a donation link in the description. You can use that. And it is not financial investment. It is purely for learning as traders. Okay. Rose Gold, good to see ya. Dan Trade, I see ya. I see you all, guys. I see you all, guys, and it's always nice to catch up with you. Let me hope, guys, you're really taking the tips. It's a new month. Don't forget to set your trading plan in place and challenge yourself to be a better trader. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. You can reach out to me via Telegram. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can also join my Telegram channel and join the community of traders. There's a link in the description. If you want a trading bot, there's a link in the description for Skynet bot. Reach out to Skynet support team and you get a free trading bot. We catch up tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Mark your attendance early. We get into all the strategy in details. So we catch up tomorrow. Good night. I love you. Bye.